Zebad's still trapped in the temple.
Then, like, who's that? His evil twin Zebada?
Where's my third diamond?
Furnace!
Don't fail me now!
Brace yourself, everybody! Whoa! Mind the gap! Here comes Big Nose!
Somebody do something! Hey, this must be some kind of anti-spring device. This'll slow Z-Bad down.
Really?
Or it could be an ejector seat.
What the devil was that?
What happened?
Why am I blind? Did we reach the roundabout yet?
So that's where your head is. The roundabout. And that's where I'll find my diamond. So long, slime ball. Sam, get up on the roof and dispose of the prisoner.
Dispose of a prisoner? Can't do that, sir. Geneva Convention.
Guess what? I'm unconventional. Unconventional. Off with his head.
Ouch!
Welcome aboard!
Hermintrude, you saved me. Don't cross me, you tarred up tin opener!
Faster, you lily-livered traitor! I want that diamond! More coal!
Whoa! Trouble dead ahead!
That's my line!
Now, this is what happens when you don't brush regularly.
Sir, the pressure! It's too much!
I know. Sometimes I feel I'm going quite insane.
No, sir, it's the boiler!
Thank goodness we're safe! That's what I call letting off steam. Hurrah! I can fly! No, I can't.